Hi guys. So we want to solve this problem. These indices in algebraic terms and algebraic powers. We want to simplify it. So remember that one of the laws of indices has it that when we have similar bases, like maybe 2 raised to power a times 2 raised to power b, we simply need to take one of the bases and then add up the power. So that's how we're supposed to arrive at something like this. So but this time we're going to try to go back to that law. So I'm going to get 4. Now this is going to be 2 raised to power n times 2 raised to power 1. Yes, because that's what should take me back to this. While this is going to be 2 raised to power n times 2 raised to power 2. And the denominator, I'm going to do the same thing, 2 raised to power n times 2 raised to power 1. Then I have this 2 raised to power n. So what I'm going to do is to factor out the terms that are alike. What do I mean? This 2 raised to power 2 is 4. Okay, let me write it again. 4 raised to power 2 n, 2 raised to power n, sorry, times 2 raised to power 1, which is 2, minus 2 raised to power n, 2 raised to power n times 4, all over 2 raised to power n times 2. Now we have this. So looking at what we have here, you'll notice something. Some terms are similar, some terms appear in both places. For example, 4, we have 4 in this side of the equation, and we also have 2n in this side of the equation. We have 2 raised to power n also in this side of the equation, and 4 in this side of the equation. So I can pick one out and then write out what will be remaining. So that means 4 times 2 raised to power n is a common factor in this expression at the numerator. So I'm going to write 2 here because when I take off these terms, I'll be left with 2 here. Then in this case, when I take off this term, I'll be left with 1. So that's how you factorize, because whatever you have when you factorize, when you multiply, it should give you exactly what you have. So that is it. Then for the denominator, I have 2 raised to power n here and also 2 raised to power n here. So that's a common factor. Then I'm going to be left with what? 2 minus 1. Yeah, good. So looking at what we have here, you're going to notice something, that these terms are alike. So I can simply cancel them out, or even if I don't cancel them out, 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 times this is going to give me that same thing. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 times this is going to give me the same thing. So I'm just going to leave it or decide to cancel it, whichever. Then I'm going to come down up to this place and write 4 times 2 raised to power n over 2 raised to power n. Now, these are another term again that are similar. So we have this term cancels this term. Then my final answer is 4. Thank you.